How's it going, pup? We are going to start on, actually I've started already, but the 38 Pontiac. The game plan, I've already chopped it. It's got a 4-inch chop. I've cut all the springs out of it because I was trying to see how low I could get the car. I'm going to turn it into a 3-window. That's the plan. You can see the chop. Nothing's finished. I'm trying to figure out how to do this. Body line, I'm not sure. It's got a weird molded drip rail on it. So I'm working on that in my head anyways. I've chopped the back window just 3 inches. I've got some of the shape started. Kind of started it, I don't know, a couple months ago. This window's a little better looking, but I don't know. I think a 3-window would be cooler. So, tonight I guess I'm going to just start zapping some of this back sill panel in. I've kind of got this thing molded okay. I don't have that side made yet. I probably should make it first. This one's kind of working. Like everything's kind of flowing and it's okay. This side, I still got to make all the bits. You can see this is all not very cool yet. So I'm maybe I'll make that. I'm going to make those pieces. Try to figure out this piece again. It's been a while. Or I'll tack the other stuff in. Maybe I'll do that. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to tack what I got in. And then I'll start on the other side. Everything's rusty. I'll put the mesh back on, and then start gluing it together. What you do if you got a whole lot of lead on your panel.
This is that lead I'm telling you about. Can't really weld through this. And you shouldn't even try.
see, eh? I'm sure there's...
That camera wasn't showing a very good view of this, so I'm going to just show you what I was doing. As you can see, this was behind there. I was running the zip cut through it, and it gave me a good gap, and I was cutting off the excess steel from behind. So, like, this is nice and flush. This part I cut a little too much, so now it's actually starting to drop, which is no big deal. Should have just cut a little less at a time here. Pretty much I'm just gonna stick the clamp in there and see if I can get all the corners here. See? Pretty much gets it all back in place. No biggie. And then just keep working little chunks of it at a time. Keep zipping little cuts, tack it, keep zipping, tack. And then all the extra steel is going to be out. I'll make a pile on the floor. And then we continue on to the middle part. So, here's what we got done tonight. Got the corner, the bottoms. Still have to do everything on this side, so you get to see how I make up that panel and stuff. Getting there.